Go see some fish?
Yeah.
Fishy. Yes, fine.
What do we got going on here? What are we doing today?
A little bit of fish finding, you know.
Are you going to see some fish? Look how pretty it is.
This is a different one the last time we went on.
Yeah, it is. What time we take off?
No, it wouldn't be far off.
About then.
When Captain says, mate.
Oh, stop it. Freak paradise, isn't it? Oh, how good. We live here. This dog. Oh, stop it. We're on a boat.
Alright, yes, yeah. Smile.
Hello fish! Oh my goodness me, they're all around me. Look at that beauty.
Bit tighter? Come out here. Bring it on. Little fella, see a couple of fish. There's a few. You're the little one. And new safety is paramount. Look at this. He's an island boy. Look at him. Did you do a week? No. Why's all the fish pecking at you? Might be picking up the scab.
Are you having fun? Are you in the ocean looking at fish?
Got all the salt water in my eyes.
How you going?
Personal snorkel assistant.
Yeah.
When I die, I want to be reincarnated as you, mate.
Yeah, just eat fish.
I did see a fish. Can I have that down? I didn't have a drink.
Oh, tantrum. Tantrum.
Would be nice. Beer?
Ooh, beer?
Can we get a beer?
Beer. Island beer. Do it. You got some feelings? You good? Oh no. Here, we're at the beach. Look at this. There's some fish down there. Boy's got beers. Oh! Thank you. Look at that. What more do you want? Go down a wave. Ready?
Ready? story.
I don't know name because it's too much cat. I don't remember.
Maybe his
Sorry.
name is Cat. He's calling. Meow meow.
Just an ocean week.
That's disgusting.
Now, are there any fish under here? I'm coming. See if the rains are going to come. Hopefully not for long if they do. Ooh. What are you doing? How many person? Huh? How many person? No, keep one. Keep one. This is so cool. This is Cat Island. Baby for the test. What's the vibes? How's Cat Island? It's good. Cat.
I like the cat and the bench too.
Day for it. What a place. This place is sick. So cool. What's going on here?
What about business?
What's its name? What are we going to call it?
This one's name's Dickhead.
Bring you back to Bano. Hello?
Moose Cat.
This guy, he's just vibing on Cat Island.
He doesn't like it. Is it a boy or a girl?
Yeah.
How do you know?
So, are we having a good day? Yeah. It's Cat Island?
Meow, meow, meow.
What's wrong? Hey, it's a hard life being a cat on an island. parachute. Hard life? Hating it. Hating it. Yeah.